Icebreaking Lab AI is one of the most exciting AI tools just released, and in this review, I'll be covering 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're a digital marketer, entrepreneur, or just someone interested in cutting-edge AI tools, this one's definitely worth your attention. Stick around till the end because I'll show you how to try this software for free and give you my final thoughts on whether it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about what makes Icebreaking Lab AI stand out. Unlike many AI tools that focus on just one feature, this software combines multiple advanced AI technologies in a simple interface. Whether you're generating content, automating social media tasks, or analyzing market trends, Icebreaking Lab offers a wide range of powerful features that can be a game changer for your business. One of the standout features of Icebreaking Lab AI is its content generation capabilities. This software leverages the latest in natural language processing to create high-quality, human-like content in seconds. If you're running a blog or social media pages, this tool can easily handle content creation for you, saving you time and resources. What makes it different from others is its context awareness. It tailors the output based on your specific audience, making the content feel more personalized and relevant. Next, let's talk about automation. If you're a marketer, you'll love how Icebreaking Lab AI automates various tasks that usually take up a lot of your time. From scheduling posts to analyzing performance metrics, this software can streamline your daily operations. It's perfect for busy business owners or anyone who wants to reduce the manual workload while still achieving high-level results. The third feature worth mentioning is its AI-driven market analysis. This tool provides real-time insights into industry trends, competitor strategies, and consumer behavior. If you're into data-driven decision-making, Icebreaking Lab gives you access to actionable insights that can guide your next steps. It's like having a full analytics team at your fingertips without the extra cost. Another feature that many users will find useful is its personalization engine. It doesn't just help you generate content, it helps you create content that speaks directly to your audience. Using data and behavioral trends, the software can adapt your messaging in real time. This is incredibly powerful for those in the e-commerce or service industry who want to speak directly to their target market with precision. Icebreaking Lab also offers a collaborative workspace, which is ideal for teams. Whether you're working with content creators, marketers, or data analysts, this feature lets you seamlessly work together in one shared space. Collaboration has never been easier, and the real-time updates keep everyone on the same page. For those of you wondering about ease of use, Icebreaking Lab AI has a very user-friendly interface. You don't need to be an expert in AI to get started with this tool. The platform walks you through every feature with minimal friction, so you can start using it right away without a steep learning curve. Lastly, there's the PaaS pricing model. Icebreaking Lab AI offers a range of plans to suit different needs, and they even have a free trial for those who want to test it out before committing. This is perfect for small businesses or individuals who want to explore the software without making a financial commitment upfront. So, what's the bottom line? Icebreaking Lab AI is a versatile and powerful tool that can save you time, increase your productivity, and improve your results in various aspects of digital marketing. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced pro, it's worth checking out. And the best part? You can try it for free using the link below so you can see for yourself if it's the right fit for your business. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down the ones that offer the most value. You can find my recommended AI software in the description below, including a free trial for Icebreaking Lab AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.